those really cold nights where I had to like turn on my space heater. I'm wearing this big ol' fuzzy jacket and I'm drinking hot coffee. And I'm just tired and I don't want to do anything like ever, like all day today. I've been really tired and just lazy. I don't really want to leave the house. It's one of those days where you just want to stay home. You just don't want to go anywhere. You don't want to see people. You don't want to get in the car. You don't want to drive anywhere. You don't want to have to deal with people at the grocery store. We all have those days. But without all that mess, don't forget to stay tuned to the channel if you guys want to listen on how to enter the giveaway and any details that you guys might need to know. And that's pretty much it. Hey guys, and welcome back to today's video. Today I'm so excited to bring you a giveaway. Who doesn't like anything more than a giveaway? Me. I know I do. Today I wanted to share with you from one of my previous videos. I have done a review on the Smile Brilliant teeth whitening system, and it worked so well for me, and I'm so excited to share with you that I'm doing a giveaway on that teeth whitening kit. That kit is originally well over $100, and it's way cheaper than most places that like give you teeth whitening kits, like at dentists and stuff. So I'm really excited to give you this giveaway and have you guys enter and see who can win the giveaway. If you guys do not win the giveaway, don't be disappointed, because I actually have a discount code for you. So if you do not win, you can actually get an additional 15% off the entire store on their website. So if you do not want to buy the entire system, you don't have to. You can just go on there and look at their items as well. So if you guys are interested in entering this giveaway, I do have a couple rules. Nothing big or anything like that. So what I would like for you guys to do is just follow me on any of my social media, whether it's Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, anything like that. All my links are always down in the description for you guys to find. Another one is to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed here on my channel in order to enter the giveaway. Also, there will be a link down below where you guys can enter the giveaway. The giveaway is open for 2 whole weeks, so if you guys kind of are late to the video, then you guys are more than welcome to enter before the 2-week marks ends. So I will leave down in the description all the details, when it ends, how long it is, the rules, pretty much everything that you guys need to know down in the description. So if you guys, like I said, are interested in entering this giveaway, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and all the other details will be down below in the link for the giveaway. So that is pretty much it. I just wanted to cover that with you guys. I will talk about a little bit on how it works, so if you guys want to know like how it works before you guys enter it or purchase anything, it will all be in this video. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and give you guys a little input on how the system works, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so here is a before and after I did use their system they have. This is what it looks like. It basically comes with a little kit to create molds for your teeth, and then what they'll do is make custom fitted trays off of your molds, and they'll come with desensitizing gel and a whitening gel, and then that is pretty much it for your kit. And what you'll do is just put the gel inside your trays and like leave your trays inside of your mouth for like an hour, whatever, while you clean the house. It's so awesome, you guys. It does definitely work, and I love it a lot, and I really hope you guys do too. And good luck with the giveaway, and I will see you guys next time. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe and enter the giveaway before you guys leave. That's what today's video is about. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye!